welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, karibu sana. My name is Happinessmajoni, and if you're a returning subscriber, you know the love I got for you. So today is just today, and on today's video I'm going to be turning this hair that looks chipped out and all that. As you can see, it's really tangled. I am going to be turning this hair into life. First thing that I'm going to be doing is just detangling the ends. Taking hot boiling water that I just boiled and pour into the bucket. And then I'm going to be taking my fabric softener. I use Tussle. Now I am going to be taking my wig and just dip it into the hot water. I'm going to leave this in here for an hour and then we'll see how far we are at. So guys, it's been 1 hour and I'm going to do this in the sink. I'm going to let it dry. After 3 hours, the hair is very dry. It's basically dry, as you can see. So I'm going to be flattering this hair and I'm going to be starting from the back. So I'm going to turn this around and then we start the whole process. So I am going to be using this comb. It's a rattle and comb, and this color that I got from Kilimall. I'll be leaving the link down in the description box in case you're interested. You can go and check it out. This video is not promoted, okay? So this curl has different modes of heat, so I'm going to start with less heat as I work my way up to the most heat that my hair can actually consume, so that it does not get burnt at the end. So guys, this is now what the hair looks like. What I'm going to do, I'm going to be cutting off these split ends to make it look even. Finally, this is the end product that I ended up taking up this wig to the barber so that they can use their machine to actually make the edges more straight. That is it for today's video. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Always remember to work hard, stay humble and be disciplined. See you in my next one. Bye.